What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. We're looking at Quant today on a daily time frame. If you enjoy this video, smash the like button as we try and hit 50 likes on each video. Leave a comment as well, and yeah, let's try and grow this channel to 2.5k by the end of May. Let's see if we can do that. That would be a great achievement, guys. If you remember correctly, the last few days I've been saying that now we've lost the 618, which was the level we needed to hold to stop this reversal wave we're now creating it. We've almost come down to our $92 target, so we are still anticipating it comes into it. Yeah, nothing has changed so far. You can see we've just been suppressed downwards. So if you remember before this dump, we really wanted, after this rejection of the 200 EMA, for us to fall back to this newly formed bullish cross. I'm looking at the orange and the purple line, the 20 being the purple, the orange being the 55 EMA. And the 55 EMA should have acted as a double brick wall. It should not have let us go below it. So the fact that you did do that, it's a major reversal. But we knew maybe this reversal was just going to come back down to this previous support, which is also the 618. After we've had this impulse over here, we need to retrace 61.8% of the move, and we just completely fell through, and we're trying to do a 100% retracement. So it's showing you guys that we're not retracing to the 618 to continue, we're actually reversing the trend from an uptrend now to a downtrend. And that's why we're telling you that we're coming down to $92, because this is the start of the upward push. So we know that's like what's acting as a magnet. Before it was the 618, we got pulled towards it. That should have held. It was also previous support. It was also that wick where we had this over 100% gain from 111 all the way to 235. So over 100% gain, probably like 110% roughly. And yeah, it's so important we don't lose this low. This is the only actual area where we actually had this key support in previously. And so I knew at all costs we need to stay above this, otherwise we will head to these targets down here. So once we lose, let's get rid of this fib. So, sorry guys. So once we lost this one fib level, we've validated the 1.272. That's our first target. Also lining up with our one Fibonacci here. So $91 to $92, that's where we're coming into now. Then we are going to get a reaction here because it's the 1.27, as well as it being the floor, the one fib level. So we should get this bounce. This bounce will probably come back into this orange zone. So it's important, if we do get this bounce, this is what I am personally anticipating. I might be completely wrong. We might just keep continuing down to these lower targets. But for the moment, I must say that $83 is our support. We don't want to lose $83. We know if we're losing this level, we would finally meet this $70 target that we've had since back in December. Because to get this target, the $70 target over here is the 1618 of this move here. So from the low to the high, that 100 and a bit percent move to the upside, we've measured that. So I know if we're losing this wick, we're going to its 1618. That is our target, $70. It's also the target out of this head and shoulders over here. So there's two reasons why we're coming to 70. Then we've placed these new fibs from the low of this move to the top of this move, and then that's $92. So if we're losing $92, you can see a 1618 is at 67, and you would meet. So three reasons why we could be coming into this support, but it only happen if we're losing $83. And yeah, we are in targets to below $83 currently. Let's see if this support is going to hold, because again, we've got two 1618 targets below that. So yeah, it's important to see the reaction from here. We really don't want to be losing it. We know if we are, you're making lower lows, you're continuing this massive downtrend we began back in September time. So that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button. Let's help get this video to 50 likes. Leave a comment down below, and let's try and grow this channel to 2.5k subscribers by the end of May. So if you're interested, I've got one space left this month still, or for May, for the one-on-one mentorship. And I've got, I think, another space for June. So get them while they last. And yeah, I'm more than happy to help you with the course or just the chat in general. But yeah, for me personally, I'd go with the course or the mentorship, because you get the chat included until our bull market targets. Whereas if you just join the chat, you're not getting the course, you're not getting the mentorship. And if you're in the chat for over a year, you're paying £40 a month for a year. and that's more than what you'd pay just for the course. So, and you get the chat for free with the course for until our bull market target. So that's why the mentorship, in my opinion, is the best value for your money. And yeah, you've got a 1 month period of lessons, basically about 20 1 hour to 2 hour lessons until, yeah, you get it, and you get the course. So after each lesson, you got the course to do, you got the videos from the course, and then you're also in the chat. If I do take trades, I haven't taken a trade in the last month, but if I were to, it's going to be in the chat. I personally don't like trading often, so since February I've probably only put in 5 trades, but they've all been wins. I'd rather not trade than lose, so because we need to think every single trade can be a loss, so that's why we'd rather just not trade it at all, and yeah, just be certain with the trades that we take. So that's why we weren't longing here. We were saying opposite. When everyone was excited up here, we were saying, no, we're at resistance, this should dump. We dumped. Same here, we should dump. I was expecting the bullish cross the hole because it didn't, and that's why you continue this dump. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you're interested in those crypto packages, wait till the end of this video and I'll explain it in a bit more detail. Thank you. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace. So guys, here are the crypto packages. If you think you have what it takes to stay disciplined and consistent over the next 3 to 6 months, then I'm more than happy to help you 10x your learning curve. So you can already be a complete beginner, or you can be advanced. It doesn't matter. I'm here to turn you into a self-sufficient trader that doesn't need anyone else's guidance by the end of it. I even had to pay over £10,000 to get all this information. That includes scams, scam signals where I lost 3K, scam master account management where I lost 5K, scam pyramid scheme companies for bad courses. Then I found my mentor and I had to pay over $2,000 for just a 2-hour mentorship lesson. What you guys are getting for £650 is access to the chat until the top of the market. So if the top of the market is a year away, do 1 year times 40. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. You also get the course included in the mentorship, and I'll actually not just do a 2-hour lesson with you. I will stay here for a month period to make sure that you become a self-sufficient trader by the end of it. So if you're interested in this, head over to my Twitter, Louis_crypto, to the pinned post and message me there. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.